Hi guys, it's me, Cosmic Moose. Sorry if I sound a little rough. I've just been recording videos. Um, but now I've got something I've never done before. Ooh. Loot crate! Loot crate! Do, 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 do. Sorry. I just feel like being a bit silly because I have been recording for a while. But I thought I'd share the joy of Loot Crate with you. For those that don't know, and for those that do, Loot Crate is a monthly subscription service. You sign up, you pay a fee, and you get a box like this in the mail. And each month has a different theme. This month, January, is Invasion. So I have X-Files, Alien, and a couple of other invasion-themed items in it. Don't know what's in it. I haven't opened it. I'm really nervous. But hopefully you'll enjoy I'll enjoy what's inside, and you'll enjoy watching me open it. So I'm going to cutting it. And I'm going to do it with my ears closed, and hopefully ooh! There's a t-shirt. Fancy that. And if you look at the top, that's a great thing about Loot Crate. When you've opened the box and you've taken everything out, you can turn the box inside out and you've got something to look at. Like with my with the Fallout crate, that turns out inside out to a Nuka-Cola machine. So save the t-shirt to last. Let's open these. First thing is Space Invaders. Very invasion themed. Mini alien vinyl figures, limited edition. Loot Crate exclusive. A lot of these items are exclusive to Loot Crate. You won't find them anywhere else, apparently. This one is just one of the little aliens, spaceships from what's it called? Space Invaders. I am so very intelligent sometimes. So yeah, that'll sit on my desk. Might take it to work with me. Don't know what the office will think of it, but it's cool. Oh, that's cool. It's a little X-Files brand torch. Just a very small torch with the X-Files logo on it. Well, these are always very useful. I don't actually have one in my car, so I think I will put this in my glove compartment. I have a little torch on my keyring, but it's a very small 2 LED one. But I think that will be a bit more useful. Rubber band. I'm confused at this one. Let's put it to one side. Oh. It's a happy face hugger. I have to open it because I can't quite believe it. So what's inside? Yeah, isn't that just the cutest, most face-huggingest thing you've ever seen? Oh, and there are other ones as well. You got the chest burster, and you got the xenomorph, and that's one I've got. Maybe if I keep doing that enough, I'll get a chest burster. That'd be cute. I mean, look at that. If something that adorable came out of my chest, you'd be like, Oh, I'm in a lot of pain, but that's so cute. I mean, who could resist something this adorable? It's like it's trying to lay its eggs in my chest. But it's so cute, I kind of want to let it. Then we have... Ooh! It's a badge. You probably won't see it very well. But it's got like an alien robot with Walker with arms and legs and a flying saucer in the background. And it's holding a loot crate. That's brilliant. Gonna have to put that on something. And oh, look at that! It's from Fifth Element. It's Lilu, the alien that Bruce Willis finds naked, I think. This is a multi-pass. That's brilliant. It's got a picture and an inverted picture. I'm going to open this up. And I think you can put whatever you want in it. So that you can put this in it. And I'm not sure actually. Maybe I'm making that bit up. Oh, no. That comes out. And I think maybe you can put your own pass in it. But I'm going to leave it like that. Because that looks cool. You got a nice length of chain to put over your head. And carry it around. Oh, and then there's some batteries for the torch. Excellent. Invasion from mini prints. I think this is the last thing. Yep, this is the last thing. I've got some prints for The Day the Earth Stood Still. That's the original one, I think. Not the one with Keanu Reeves. And oh, nice classic War of the Worlds. Because War of the Worlds is brilliant. When they were doing War of the Worlds originally, let's see. It's a writing on them, which I'm kind of reading. No. Yeah, when they were doing War of the Worlds, it was a radio drama. And it was so good that people actually thought it was a news, it was actually happening, that they were reporting the real news. And there were people writing to the president, their mayors, you name it. They were going to the police and just saying, "There's aliens, why don't you do anything about these aliens?" And then they had to go tell everyone that actually, no, it was just a bit of just a radio play. It was just entertainment. And I think if something is that good, it's that people think it's real, then you're doing something right. And as always, you get a nice magazine, which tells me what everything's inside, which is great because it's right at the bottom. So let's see the back. Oh no, I forgot something. I've got the t-shirt. Which has aliens and a spaceship, and it looks like people are being abducted in the woods. Which is brilliant. I don't know if it's glow in the dark. I will check. Let's check this thing. Exclusive. Okay, so I don't think it does glow in the dark, but it's still a cool t-shirt. Anyway, that's it. Go through this t-shirt, which is brilliant. Alien face hugger plushie. Space Invader vinyl. Fifth Element prop replica multi-pass. Got the print, Day the Earth Stood Still, War of the Worlds, the torch, and the badge, which I think is brilliant. And there's other things as well, like how to survive an alien invasion. And because they're they're bringing X-Files back, there's some handy information about all the characters from the past. Oh, Shark Boy. This includes things like including black oil, alien black oil, which is one of the biggest things. Even the conspiracy theorists, not sure what the word is. They're conspiring with the aliens, and they're trying to create immunity to the black oil, so that when the alien invasion starts, they can go, ha, we're immune to your black oil. That's good. So that'll be worth a read. And put all that to one side. Ooh, a Loot Crate official member card. That's nice. If I'm reading into this correctly, turns into. I probably should have hidden my address better, but I don't think you saw it at all. Put the inside out. And there we go. You have a nice Loot Crate arcade machine themed style box. If you want your own Loot Crate, you can't get January's because the date has already passed, but you have until 19th of February, and in fact the 19th of every month, to get that month's themed crate. I can't remember what February's theme is, but I will definitely put it down below. I'll put a link down there as well, and a code so you can get money off. If you use the link and the code, I think I get money off as well, so we all win. You don't have to, of course. You can go somewhere else. I think PewDiePie has his own code, but the one in the description is for me. So I hope you enjoyed that. I had fun opening it, and hopefully next month I will have February's, which will be brilliant. Whatever the theme is, I'm sure it'll be great. So until then, until next time, I will see you soon. Bye guys.